Okay, y'all, so I'm at Publix, decided to go to Publix, and I think I bit off more than I could chew today. Although, I wasn't expecting to go for a 20-mile bike ride today, but hubby said he wanted to go for a bike ride, and yeah, he took me for a long one. Alrighty, guys, it is Friday. It is hubby's day off, so I plan on cleaning the refrigerator today. But right now, I'm going to make hubby and I some eggs. I got some bacon defrosting in the freezer, and then I'm gonna fry it. We're just gonna have plain eggs and bacon, no frittata today. And then I'm going to clean this messy refrigerator, and I have to go to the grocery store. So this I'm going to clean, so my refrigerator is nice and clean. I'm going to clean, not just wipe it out before the holidays, so it's nice and clean and organized and stuff, and before I go to the grocery store. So it is very, very messy. This is not too bad, but I don't know. It needs some help. So I'm gonna wipe everything down, take all the shelves out, and but first I've got to cook some breakfast, and then I'm gonna fry it. We're just gonna have plain eggs and bacon, no frittata today. And then I'm going to clean this messy refrigerator, and I have to go to the grocery store. So this I'm going to clean, so my refrigerator is nice and clean. I'm going to clean, not just wipe it out before the holidays, so it's nice and clean and organized and stuff, and before I go to the grocery store. So it is very, very messy. This is not too bad, but I don't know. It needs some help. So I'm gonna wipe everything down, take all the shelves out, and but first I've got to cook some breakfast. Okay, while that bacon's defrosting, I just wanted to show you in case you didn't see it, because it was in like a vlog video. No, it wasn't. It was in a Pepper Pranchy video. Anyway, so I cleaned and organized my spice cabinet. There's not even anything at the top, and I got rid of some things. I could get rid of some more, but I didn't. Anyway, so now that is all nice and clean and organized for the holiday season. I don't do a lot of baking, but I plan on doing a little bit this month, doing some cook and clean with me videos. I got my spoons, my measuring spoons there, measuring cups there. I have one missing. Where is that? Anyway, so that's all nice and clean and organized. Ready? Is your spice cabinet ready for the holiday season? If not, go clean it now.
There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There will be new ways. This is not the end. There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try.
Morning, y'all. So I finally got my bike. So hubby and I are getting ready to go for a bike ride. How exciting. Fun. He's filming me and I'm filming him. And trying to ride the bike one-handed. Not too smart. Done. Hubby and I rode 20 miles. What'd you say? 20.3?
20.3.
20.3 miles. Woohoo! And it's still early yet. I can do other stuff. I'm glad I got out early. That was fun.
I see your head pop up.
Okay, y'all. It's starting to rain. And I just finished mowing the lawn and doing some landscaping and stuff, but you'll see that in the Fix It Friday video next week. Or whatever, whenever. I'm going to bring the cushions in. So I finished up this area. I need to buy some mulch and stuff, but I'll show you some stuff in the Fix It Friday video that I'm doing. And so be sure to watch that. So I planned on cleaning the refrigerator and the freezer and then going to the grocery store. I might just clean the fridge and go to the grocery store tomorrow. So I'm gonna make myself something to eat and then take a shower, or should I take a shower first? I'm like starving. I had a granola bar and a coffee. So I'm gonna eat this leftover chicken. I made chicken the other night, barbecue chicken, and I talked about this in another video. I just been making my barbecue chicken in my cast iron skillet and just sticking it in the oven. It comes out great. So I'm gonna have this leftover chicken, carrots, well, not all of it, that's a lot, and potatoes and onions. So yeah. What's Daddy doing? He's staking down the swing so it doesn't blow over because it keeps blowing over. Want you to say hi? Want you to say hi? You're so pretty. Hi. Hey, Mama. I'm going to take a shower. And weirdly enough, I've been taking... I'm going to put this stuff in the microwave. I've been taking a shower in here in the guest bath lately because you get a nice steam bath where I can't get that because our bathroom is so big. So I've been kind of liking it. And this will be also nice for the winter time because I don't know why I never thought to take a shower in here. Because it's like an open shower and the bathroom's like huge. So in the winter time, we're always cold. So when we're taking a shower, because we don't barely put the heat on. And we leave the window or the slider open all night too, because we like to sleep with it cold. Anyhow, I'm gonna take a shower. I decided to take a shower before I ate, so I'm gonna finish eating this and watch something on YouTube and just chill for a little bit. Yeah, it just hit me like a ton of bricks. I am exhausted now. So the plan is, I don't have a plan. The plan is just chill for a little bit and then go. Okay, so I had a plan, but yeah, I don't know. I just need to get the lawn done before because it's gonna rain and stuff. Because the plan was to do the refrigerator and the freezer. So I'm gonna go to the store in a little bit and just get a few things. I guess I'll clean the refrigerator and the freezer tomorrow. But I also wanted to make something. I'm thinking that's not going to happen today. I wanted to make something that I want to cook for Thanksgiving dinner, but I wanted to try it out now to make sure it was good. I'll show you. I picked up this magazine a couple weeks ago, and this looks really good. It is Sweet Potato Cranberry Bake, and it is from The Taste of Home. This thing is expensive. I have not bought a magazine in a long time, and so it was like $10. And then it fell apart too, and I waited too long to take it back. But I wonder if Publix would still, like, the binding has come apart on the thing. Snickerdoodle is picking my couch. Hey, cut that out. Anyway, that looks good too. beets and orange sauce. I want to make some stuff for Thanksgiving for me and my sister to eat because there's gonna be a lot of junk. A lot of stuff with gluten in it, and neither one of us can eat that. Well, my sister can eat it. She just prefers not to. Actually, I don't know. She prefers to have plant-based stuff. And then what's this? Marinade cauliflower salad. That looks really yummy, but that has milk in it. I was going to try to make, one time I was going to try to make cream of mushroom soup. No, cream of mushroom rice. Cream of mushroom soup. But, with almond milk. Actually, I think I've done that before. But I wanted to do that. Let's see, for hubby's, and actually, I was supposed to make that for hubby's birthday, but that didn't happen, and I forgot I was supposed to make that this weekend. Yeah, but I'm not going to post it because I'm doing a collab until the 16th, because I'm doing a collab with Christy at Inspired by Christy, but I don't know, I still have time. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, it's the salted caramel cheesecake. Oh, isn't that look absolutely heavenly? It has Kahlua in it and espresso in it. There, Kahlua, espresso. Yeah, and it's made with the chocolate wafers. That I would be cheating with for sure. Right, so I was just going to make a little bit of this for myself because hubby does not really like sweet potatoes. He likes it like if I make roasted veggies and I throw a few sweet potatoes in there, but he doesn't really like it. So this is like a different sweet potato casserole. This is like a lot of brown sugar in it. I think I probably could reduce that amount. I might even use honey instead of brown sugar. Anyway, and it's got frozen cranberries and walnuts in it and butter. Yum. So, I mean, I'm trying not to eat dairy, but, you know, sometimes you gotta have a little butter, right? What is that? Corn and onion souffle. That's interesting. Spiced pear risotto. But what's risotto? Is that pasta? I don't know. I could make it with rice, though. Spiced pear. Now, what is in there? Oh, it's rice. Uncooked or boiled rice. Why is it called risotto if it's rice? Am I not seeing it or what? But why is it called spiced pear when there's no pear in it? I see no pear. I see apple cider. Oh, there it is. One large pear. I do have a pear. I will stick with this. Hey, I just realized my flash light works with the camera. That's kind of cool. It didn't used to. I just upgraded the other day, and I guess it works now. So it's just really easy to put together. This is my kind of recipe. It's got orange juice in it. So I need orange juice. I think I have walnuts. I have brown sugar. I have cinnamon. I have butter. I need frozen cranberries, and I think I have sweet potatoes. So I just need the cranberries. And orange juice. So I'm just gonna make like a little side dish for myself, either tonight or tomorrow. Good thing and why is my wreath hanging there? It must have fell when I opened the window. So good thing I mowed the lawn because it's now raining. Yep, it's gonna be raining for a week.
Washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through.
Oh no, I don't think I'm going to the store. It's starting to look pretty nasty out there. I don't know if I want to drive in that mess. What do you think, Snickerdoodle? Hubby just went out on the front porch. He loves the rain. Me, not so much. Okay, y'all, so I'm at Publix. Decided to go to Publix, and I think I bit off more than I could chew today. Although I wasn't expecting to go for a 20-mile bike ride today, but hubby said he wanted to go for a bike ride, and yeah, he took me for a long one. So I'm just gonna go in here and get a few things and make dinner, and then tomorrow I will make that cranberry thing. But I'm gonna make some mushroom rice today, so you can see that. I will make that when I get home. I'm just gonna pick up a few things, I think. I don't know. Yeah, you shall see. So guys, I am so tired after doing that 20-mile bike ride. It hit me like a ton of bricks when I got home, and I was too tired to go ahead and make the cranberry casserole or the mushroom rice. I guess I was going to make the mushroom rice, huh? Didn't happen. I'll try to do that on another day. And I'm making hubby a steak. I've showed how to make this before. You sear each side in an iron skillet, and then you stick it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, and then you take it out of the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes, and it comes out perfectly. So I'm just showing you a little bit of the groceries that I got. That was buy one get one free peanuts. And yeah, I was going to make the mushroom rice with this Miko's vegan butter, and I got my beloved almond milk, and that's from another night that we had chilies. And yeah, over there is some stuff for the compost that I didn't take out yet, and I got some meat, and I got some sushi for me, and I think I'm not going to eat the steak. I'm going to go ahead and have some sushi and a salad, and about hubby's beloved salted caramel biscotti, and I stocked up on some chicken stock and some vegetable stock. It was buy one get one free, and I stocked up on a few other things, and I got this salad that I just absolutely love, but I'm going to save this for tomorrow. I made both hubby and I a salad, and we're going to sit down and we're going to watch last week's episode of The Right Stuff. Have you been watching that? That is a good series. We are enjoying it. Yes, I am making myself a coffee. I don't know about you, but me, coffee calms me down. I know it's weird, but I just need something to calm me down and relax. I was, again, bit off way more than I could chew today. I thought I could do this, that, and the other thing. Little did I know that bike ride was going to hit me like a ton of bricks. I really enjoyed the bike ride. That was very nice, and I was fine going on the bike ride. And when I got home, it just caught up to me later, and yeah, I'm exhausted. So I'm not even going to clean up, and I'll have to clean up tomorrow. It's just going to be a mess. Like I said, some days my house is really messy, and some days my house is really clean. There's really no in between. I'm just going to sit here and use my massager. The link to this is down below in the description if you're interested, and I'm going to watch a little TV. Right now, I'm going to watch Kim from the Wads. Have you watched her? She is hilarious. I just started watching her a couple weeks ago, and I really like her videos. She does all-in-one video vlogs like I'm doing now. I don't know, hers are much better, obviously. But anyway, that is it, and hubby's going to watch The Right Stuff with me here in a little bit, and that's it. Stay tuned tomorrow for the rest of the weekend video. Until next time, enjoy your day.